This right here is one of the easiest things that you can do to your NC Miata if you have the power retractable hardtop. I bought this from MX5 Things. It is a roof controller. Now, you see, normally when you want to release the roof, you have to unlatch it and hold down the button. And this takes a while. So I think it takes 13 seconds, which honestly, it isn't that drastic, but if you're trying to do it when you're in the middle of an intersection and the light turns green, you got a car behind you honking, yeah, it's not amazing. What if there was a way to make it easier? MX5 Things, and there's another company that makes these as well. This is the cheaper version. They have a solution for it, which is going to allow us to operate the top with one touch of a button, and we're not gonna have to hold it down, and we can drive off while doing so. You have a USB if you want to change some of the settings on the module. I'm gonna just leave it as is. I'm sure that will be fine and I'll be happy with it. It looked like a pretty easy install. We're just gonna move the seat up. We've got our access panel right here. Should just be able to take a trim tool. There we go. Pop that guy off. Inside here, you can lift up this little sound damper. We're going to be using the plug back here. So we'll have to take this bracket off real quick. It's just a 10 mil. There we go. Sorry I didn't film that. I actually ended up taking a little mirror, shining it back there, and I was able to just use a flathead to pull down on the harness and was able to get it out. So that was not the easiest thing in the world, but it's out. From here, it's pretty straightforward. We're just going to plug this guy on in. Now we'll kind of look for the best way to route. I think something like that would be good. There we go. Plug that guy on in. We'll put this back where it needs to go while we look for a spot. It has some Velcro and double-sided tape, so we can just stick it anywhere. You can leave this actually plugged in and route the cable out. I'm just gonna go with the default settings and just throw this back there. No USB cable. I'm sure that I'm going to be happy with it. So here's a closer look. Got the module, just double-sided taped back to this bracket, and it just routes and connects into the roof controller here. Put our panel back on. There we go. Okay, so now if we want to test it, turn the car on. And I think I just hold the button for about half a second. Let off. There we go. Yeah, now it's just going by itself. That's awesome. That's so sick. Now all we have to do is just that. And to test it, I can even throw it in reverse and we can start moving. That was not a thing that we could do before. And you know, it's these kind of small quality of life modifications that I really enjoy doing, because anything that makes a car easier to drive is just good, in my opinion. Reason being, I want to drive this car as much as possible, and sometimes I find myself making excuses to drive it because it is uncomfortable. It's small, it's stiff, and stuff like this makes it a little bit easier for me to just hop in, one touch, we're got the roof down and just having a good time. So I think this is a great little mod. I got it for under 200 bucks, and you know what? When I sell the car, I can sell this module and it'll basically sell for the same. Get some rev matches. Oh yes. And now that we've entered my neighborhood, all I have to do, one touch, and I'm doing this while moving. That's pretty amazing, honestly. That's really cool. There we go. We're good.